As you know, there are a lot of cryptocurrencies in existence. If you're wondering which are the top 20 cryptocurrencies, watch this video till the end. I'll be taking a look at them. Our video is incredibly helpful for beginners. Hi, and welcome back to Crypto Market, where you can find high-quality crypto content. 20. Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic represents the continuation of the original Ethereum blockchain post-exploit, which resulted in millions of stolen Ethereum. 19. UNUS Leo. UNUS Leo acts as a utility token for INUSHIB, which owns and operates the crypto exchange Bitfinex. The token's unique moniker comes from a Latin citation in one of Aesop's fables. 18. Wrapped Bitcoin. Wrapped Bitcoin delivers the power of Bitcoin with the flexibility of an ERC20 token. Wrapped Bitcoin is the first ERC20 token backed one-to-one with Bitcoin. 17. TRON. TRON is one of the largest blockchain-based operating systems. It offers high scalability, high availability, high throughput, and the lowest cost support for all decentralized applications in the TRON ecosystem. 16. SHIBA. Shiba Inu coin or SHIBA is an ERC20 token that fuels the SHIBA ecosystem, comprising three separate tokens, SHIBA, Bone, and Leash, that users can stake, swap, or deposit into liquidity pools on the SHIBA Swap decentralized exchange to earn interest and rewards. 15. Unisop. The Unisop protocol is one of the most popular open-source decentralized exchanges in the crypto ecosystem. In September 2020, Uniswap created and awarded its own governance token, UNI, to past Uniswap users. 14. Avalanche, AVAX. Avalanche is the native token of the Avalanche network, a base layer network on which software developers can build decentralized applications, smart contracts, and custom blockchains. 13. Polygon. Polygon is a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. Its core component is Polygon SDK, a modular, flexible framework that supports building multiple types of applications. 12. DAI. DAI is a decentralized, collateral-backed stablecoin that is soft-pegged to the US dollar and is based on the Ethereum blockchain. DAI is backed by collateralized assets, which is composed of other cryptocurrencies held within smart contracts every time new DAI is minted. 11. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created on December 6, 2013, based on the popular Doge internet meme, and features a Shiba Inu on its logo. 10. Polkadot. DOT is the native cryptocurrency of Polkadot, a blockchain interoperability protocol founded in 2016. It is a sharded blockchain, meaning it connects several different chains together in a single network, allowing them to process transactions in parallel and exchange data between chains without sacrificing security. 9. Solana. Solana is a single-chain delegated proof-of-stake protocol whose focus is on delivering scalability without sacrificing decentralization or security. Core to Solana's scaling solution is a decentralized clock titled Proof of History, built to solve the problem of time in distributed networks where there is not a single trusted source of time. 8. Cardano. Cardano is the cryptocurrency platform behind ADA, the name of the currency. Created by the co-founder of Ethereum, Cardano also uses smart contracts, enabling identity management. 7. XRP. Native token of Ripple in RippleNet. RippleNet offers a way to pay in many different real-world currencies. Ripple can be useful in cross-border transactions and uses a trustless mechanism to facilitate payments. Watch our video about XRP to know more about it. 6. Binance USD. Binance USD is a one-to-one USD-backed stablecoin issued by Binance in partnership with Paxos. Binance USD emerged as a major stablecoin option in cryptocurrency markets, aided by its prominent use in Binance and other services associated with the centralized exchange. 5. BNB. Binance Coin is the cryptocurrency issued by Binance, among the largest crypto exchanges in the world. While originally created as a token to pay for discounted trades, Binance Coin can now be used for payments as well as purchasing various goods and services. 4. USD coin. USD coin is a fiat collateralized stablecoin which is pegged to the US dollar at 1-to-1 ratio. The Center Consortium comprises two founding members, Circle, a global financial technology firm, and Coinbase, the widely popular US-based cryptocurrency exchange. It is currently issued and made available on multiple blockchain networks. 3. Tether. Tether is a blockchain-enabled platform designed to facilitate the use of fiat currencies in a digital manner. Tether works to disrupt the conventional financial system via a more modern approach to money. 2. Ethereum. Both a cryptocurrency and a blockchain platform, Ethereum is a favorite of program developers because of its potential applications, like so-called smart contracts that automatically execute when conditions are met and non-fungible tokens. 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the world's first decentralized cryptocurrency, a type of digital asset that uses public key cryptography to record, sign, and send transactions over the Bitcoin blockchain. If you do enjoy this content and find it helpful, please subscribe.